I'd say the Enduro test is a bit more slow and also shorter. I think the rut will be more deep and will be more technical. And also about the extreme is a bit different. It was big rocks in the other one and like big uphill. This weekend is more technical. I think there is some small jumps to do, some little wheelie uphill. Will be interesting. Maybe also will be really fun to ride. So yeah, I think will be an enjoyable weekend.
The super test is the same as last week, but reversed and with some different obstacles. But it's going to be good. The people are coming.
Vencedor de Fafe 11, terceiro e último dia, há 8 dias atrás. Intrometeu-se ali ao espanhol Josep Garcia. Início tremenda. Francisco, a culpa é sua.
It's always like this after a win. Crazy race, I just minimized my mistakes and seemed like everybody else was falling down around me and managed to win, so super stoked.
You different too. You make your 100% yesterday, you make your 100% today. For us, it's enough. Not always the final results may one rider is good or not. Help to improve.
Difficult to accept.
I know. It's more yesterday than today.
Yeah, incredible weekend. You know, it's so difficult with the level that we are in EnduroGP now. To achieve a perfect weekend is really difficult. We did it 2 times this year in Spain. Also, we repeat here.